Hello, friends. So let's continue with the project. So now what we want to do is to create the pipelines, right, for continuous integration. And pipelines are basically a set of tasks to be executed to prepare the code to be ready for deployment, right? So just come down here to pipeline, click on pipeline, click on create pipelines, and then we are not going to use any of these options that are YAML related. We are just going to come to use the classical editor to create a pipeline without YAML. So I'm going to click on that, then come down here, click on continue, then I'll click on empty job. And now I want to add tags, right? So I want to add tags. So I'm going to click on this agent job 1, and I'm going to click on this plus sign, plus. So I want to add a tax, and this tax is basically to zip the website source files so that it can be deployed to the storage account. You know, in previous video, we created a storage account, right, in in Azure, right? So want to zip the website source files. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for archive files. So click on that, then add. So I'm going to do that, and then going to do that. So click on this, click on it, right? Then I'll change the display name. Just change the display name to zip files, right? So I want to zip the files. Okay, so next, under the root folder of file to archive, you see beside it, you see 3 dots. I'm going to click on that, and then you see my project. Click on my project, you will see files. So this files is this one that you're going to choose, right? This is the place where the website source code are. So I'm going to click on this. You'll see image and index.html. So I'm going to do OK, right? So I'm going to do OK. And after that, I'll just come up here. So that task is done, right? That task is done. Let me just check. So it's done. So I'm just going to come to this plus. I'm going to add a new task, right? So the new task is I want to add publish build artifact. So this artifact, right? So it's basically so that we can have the artifact ready to be deployed on the 3 environments. So it's just so publish build. Okay, publish build artifact, click on it, add, right? So, yeah, I think, that's it. It's nothing to really change the artifact name. There's nothing to really change here. So I'm just going to save, right? I'm going to save, click on save, save. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I'll click on triggers, secret triggers up here. I'll click on triggers. Then by the right, you see enable continuous integration, right? So I'm going to check that, and I'm going to save the configurations. So save, and that's it. So let's come back to pipelines. So everything is saved now. Let's come back to pipelines. So we have my project CI, right? Continuous integration. So in the next video, I'm going to, work on the continuous deployment.